think the stock is extremely high. It's already rumored to be anywhere between 800,000 into like 1.7 million pairs. Now, realistically, I think it's going to be in somewhere in that middle number, maybe closer to around a million pairs, but it's definitely more stock than the reimagined 4s. And these have less hype than the reimagined 4s, so I can only imagine. Me personally, I don't think they're going to sit for a long time, but I do think that it will be a very extremely issue to get. So if you didn't hit on the shock drop, please don't be worried, and we can get straight into the unboxing. So starting with the box, we have the regular Jordan 4 box. Now, obviously this is a re-release technically, but they're changing the name, so there might be some different changes, but it only makes sense for them to have the newer Jordan 4 box compared to the older 4 box. So it's nothing crazy about this, just a regular Jumpman on the top with the flight on the middle, cement on the bottom, black on the top, Nike Air on both sides. Now getting into the sizing chart, it says Air Jordan 4 Retro. Colorway is an off-white / military blue, obviously, right? And then size 13, and then the color code is FV5029-141. Now, since I do have an early pair, I want you guys to go ahead and enter that code into Google, whatever your search engine is, and type in raffles right next to that number. It will pull up a list of raffles for you guys to enter, just to increase your chances on top of all the stores that you potentially can get these at, right? So, without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. So here we got it, man, and these are crazy because, let's look at them. I'm gonna go into detail a little bit why I like these so much. And it's crazy because this used to be a grail of mine. This really did. My sister had these when we were kids. She had them in a size 7, and I wore a size 8 at the time, and I would literally just wear them around the house, you know, just wanting them so bad.